Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you poem of William Butler Yeats. So, W. Yeats was Irish poet. He belonged to Ireland and he has written lyrics, symbolic poem. W. Yeats himself wrote, I have no language but symbol. W. Yeats has used personal symbols in his poetry. That's why W. Yeats' poetry is difficult to understand. Poems written by William Butler Yeats are A Prayer for My Daughter, Byzantium, Sailing to Byzantium, The Second Coming, etc. He met Rabindranath Tagore and gave contribution to the introduction for the Gitanjali. So today I am going to teach you very simple poem written by W. Yeats, Lake Isles of Innisfree. See on board. Lake Isles of Innisfree is a poem. It is lyric by W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats also liked nature, peace-loving poet. He desired to go near the lake. Once upon a time in his teen age, he visited that place. He liked that place and the memories of that place cherished in his heart. And he desired to go over there because Irelanders were most of people gave much importance to materialism and W. Yeats liked spiritualism. So I will arise. See here, will model auxiliary verb is used. That's why firm determination of the poet is expressed here, and the poem is narrated by first person pronoun I. So I have determined to go there and to go Innisfree. That place is Sligo where poets like to go. And a small cabin built there. He desired to make a cabin or a hut over there. Clay and battles made. So this place will be built by clay and reeds and object of natures. 9 being rows, compound word is here. He will grow vegetables for himself. I have there a honeybee for the honeybee. He liked honey also. And the song of birds, the song of birds, yeah, or natural song created by water, all loved by the poet over there. He wanted peace, rest over there. And live alone. He desired to live alone. Nobody will be there to disturb him in the be loud glade. See here, glade, an open space in the forest. Glad, glad, glad means happy, and glade, an open space in the forest. So rhyme scheme of the poem, our first quatrain. See, free, made, be, and glad. See here, free, made, be, and glad. It is quatrain. We can say 4 lines of the poem. Now, second, and I shall have some peace there. Poet wanted to have some peace in that place near the lakeside, for peace comes dropping slow, and dropping from the while of the morning to where the cricket sings. Here, cricket is a small creeping insect. And another meaning of cricket is also a game played with bat and ball. Since the moon night, the midnights, the poet wanted to enjoy the beauty of moon, the beauty of morning, and all object of nature. Glamour and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet. Linnet is a small singing bird, just like nightingale. So he also wanted to listen the song created by linnet. This is the second quatrain of the poem. I will arise. Now see, third stanza. It is concluding stanza of the poem. I will arise and go now. Poet didn't want to make any delay. So he wanted to start his journey for always night and day. He will never return from that place because Ireland is not fit for him. I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. The poet wants to hear the murmuring sound of the water. While I stand on the roadway, the poet has used contrasting ideas here. City life is compared with the natural life the or the life of the nature. You know, William Wordsworth is called the high priest of nature. He has written poetry on nature. On the roadway, busyness and so on city life or on the pavement grill. I hear it in the deep heart's core. The poets will feel absolute peace and happiness over there. So this is the very simple poem written by William Butler Yeats. There is lyrical quality. So what is lyric? Lyric is a poem to be sing. W. Yeats wrote love lyric. His beloved's name was Mordaunt. He never forget his beloved Mordaunt, and he has written escape lyrics also. So see you tomorrow. Thanks.